Oh, look at this place.
Time, I will say it is a majority of my income right now, and nutrition coaching is still
Someone's house.
So Robert asked, interested in seeing the cab set up on your truck. So I do plan on doing
Love these little driveways.
walk around build video of the truck, probably in 2025. And I will cover the inside.
Let's go get 10 more. We need 9 more deliveries.
Also, how to manage dirt and capability.
Then you got your own little private gate. Wonder how much it costs to maintain all this shit. You gotta be old and disabled. You can't do it.
I honestly just keep them down there.
You got property taxes.
Summer months, winter, just because of the dirt.
And then when you die, you just give it away anyways.
Summertime.
You stay there your whole life. You don't go anywhere.
Just naturally the type of care that it has. In wintertime,
I don't know.
and it just allows it to dry off downstairs. So
Pretty cool. It says we're by the Oregon Trail though.
What are some of your favorites to explore in Montana?
Coming across the Oregon Trail at Tenniec.
So I went down to Utah earlier this year, and I will go
Oregon Trail.
there